Welcome back. Wing Chun didn't lose its powers overnight. It disappeared quietly while people were still training every day. Many practitioners today feel something is missing. Their forms looks correct, their techniques look clean, but when pressure comes, the power isn't here. Today I will explain why Wing Chun lost its power and why most people don't even realize it. I'm Austin Go. I've trained Wing Chun for over 50 years, learning from the older generation before it was modernized, simplified, and commercialized. What I'm about to share isn't theory, it's something I experienced personally. Power was never muscular. Wing Chun power was never taught about strength. It came from relaxed structure, tendons, and nervous system control. When people started chasing speed and force, real power was the first thing to disappear. The body was removed. Old Wing Chun trained the whole body, stance, spine, breath, and intent. Today, many people only train hands. When the body is removed, power collapses. What remains looks like Wing Chun, but feels empty. Sensitivity was replaced by technique. Chi was meant to develop feeling, not patterns. Once sensitivity was replaced with memorized movements, reaction slowed down. Without feeling, Wing Chun loses timing. Without timing, power is gone. The nervous system is no longer trained. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Real Wing Chun trained calm under pressure. Breathing, balance, and awareness kept the body relaxed even in danger. Today, most people train in comfort. So, under stress, everything shuts down. What real power feels like? Real Wing Chun power feels heavy, calm, and connected. When someone touches you, they feel pressure immediately, without you forcing it. That power was never lost. It was forgotten. Didn't fail. It was slowly changed. Today, let's practice Wing Chun basic, Gang Sao and Punch, and Tan Sao and Punch. This will help you to improve your structure, your balance, and increases your power. Start with the Wing Chun basic position. Open your stance. Tan Sao and Wu Sao. Now, important thing is your structure. So stand straight. Don't bend forward or backward or lean to the left or to the right. So make sure your structure are well balanced. Both fists up, chest level. Now, the first thing is to Tan Sao and Wu Sao. Make sure the Tan Sao is a punch away from your elbow. Not too much. You fall over, or till later you collapse into your body. We don't want that. So you drop with a Tan Sao and a Kang Sao, and then a punch. And then followed by a Tan Sao and punch. So there are two techniques here. So one is Kang Sao punch, Tan Sao punch. One, Kang Sao punch, Tan Sao punch. 1, 2. 1, 2. So let's practice that again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Practice to the left side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Gang Sao punch, Tan Sao punch. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then on the right side. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. To the middle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Take a time. 2, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Take a time. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. So let's summarize this. Start with your basic Wing Chun stance. Open your stance. Hands out, making sure the elbow is a punch away from your body. Don't overdo it and underdo it. Drop your tongue out to a gang sao and your bu sao to a punch. And then change it to a tan sao and a punch. So we are gang sao and a tan sao punch. 1, 2. Always in the center. 1, 2. The punch is always in the center. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always keeping your structure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to the middle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Keep practicing this. You can follow this video and practice it. So start with Kang Sao punch, then to Tan Sao punch. Kang Sao punch, then to Tan Sao punch. Kang Sao punch, Tan Sao punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, and relax. Practice this for 2 weeks, and your Kang Sao punch and your Tan Sao punch will improve greatly. Wing Chun didn't fail. It was slowly changed. If you want to rediscover real Wing Chun power, built from the body, nerves, and structure, train with understanding, not limitation. Real Wing Chun still exists. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.